Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I hold the honor to be sharing this beautiful work of art with you today. This book right here was created by an extremely special friend and student, Bree, all the way from Tennessee. She's allowing me to share her book with you today, and I really think you're going to find some extreme inspiration from this. Her expertise is mind-blowing. I'm so super excited. I'll leave the paper collection that she used down in the notes, but look right here. Oh my gosh, Bree. This is just magical. She's got a little area where you can slide this behind a beautiful acetate window. She layered these little pieces up beautifully, and she did her own little journaling. And look at this beautiful quality, wow, twine. I've never even felt twine like this before. It is so amazing. Loved a sticker assembly there. Just an excellent job, Bree. This is just so beautiful. I love it so much. Look at that cute little sticker right there on the back. This amazing ribbon goes absolutely perfect with this. Love how you use the craft as well. This is just magical. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at this. Okay, this is the Delightful Mini Album. If you want to learn to make one of these, I teach how to make all these little scrapbooks and folios. I'll leave that in the notes in the description if you wanted to take a class with me. But look what she did here. She completely loaded it up. Okay, look at this beautiful little tie, and oh my gosh, look, she popped that little one up right there on this beautiful angled pocket. She completely took advantage of the intro of this book. Bree, what an excellent idea. Each little sticker right there with their own little hand-drawn little journaling lines right there. Information about the baby. Look at this beautiful tight pattern with a nice, yes, oh my goodness. A little wood veneer. Bree, you are just amazing. She really just totally knocked this one out of the park. Her own, love the white brad contrast. Love how she only used just the craft right there. And then she did her own little lines around there. And she completely loaded this pocket. This is what you can do. Look at this. Oh my gosh, she's got so much in this little... More of her journaling lines. Bree, this is just brilliant. Your matting skills are just mind-boggling. Look at this. She has cute little notes here. I did want to mention she'll have this book available in her Etsy shop if you're interested. And I'll go ahead and leave that down in the description as well if you wanted to go, you know, get this book for a special someone. Absolutely love it. Oh my goodness. Look at this. What a precious gift this would be. I just made one for my sister-in-law, and she gave it as a baby shower gift. Love that cute camera stand, Bree. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, nice big 5x7 photo spots. And you got that landscape and portrait availability right there. And you could tuck your little pieces right behind those stickers. That, look at this. Everything just goes right back in here. Beautifully. Absolutely exquisite. Wow. And here's the back of that. Isn't that plaid just precious? That's 100% preciousness all the way right there. So over here is our first little page she did, and it's got a beautiful acetate little window right there. Love her sticker additions. Perfect. Oh my gosh. A true artist right here. An absolute true artist. Beautiful balance of... Oh, she did strips. Look how cute. And little chalk marker lines on the back. That is just... I love the eyelet choice there too. A nice little silver pop. Perfect in every way, and that is exactly what this book is. She matted that gorgeously. And then you got a place for a picture right in there, 4x6. No cropping necessary right there. This is a cute little trifold that opens up. And you got some more goodie pictures in there. Oh my gosh, such quality cardstock you used. And she's got a couple 2x2s here and a nice strip of design paper. And this folds over, and then you've got, okay, wow. Love the whole everything. Look at this. She just stuffed more in here. 4x6 photo space, 5x7 photo space. And then we have a cute little booklet. Those little characters on there are just beautiful. 4 more pictures of the baby right there. Instantly. This is just an absolute honor to be holding this right now. Look at what she did. Love how you combine that white and green. And she popped out a little bit of white in that eyelet. Beautiful color combinations here. Okay, extra little doodads that you could stick in there. Look at this cute little pocket. I am having a blast right now. This is just so cool. Love that little rainbow. And it magnetizes. Did you see that? Just pops right off and pops on. Gorgeous. And then we have this nice spread on the back. I mean, isn't this just so much fun? It's like almost like a 12 by 12 little scrapbook layout. But there's a little surprise. She's got little booklets and belly bands. Wow. Absolutely wow. That tucks behind, and she even took it to the next level. She's got one here with the cute little turtle. Picture space on the back and on the inside. And then the next notch, okay? She stuffed stuff behind, yeah, I said stuff twice, right back here. What a great idea. I didn't even think to do that. Love her little stickers that she added right there on that middle belly band. We got more picture space for days in here. Oh my goodness, Bree, you did such an amazing job. I just love everything you did with this. I love your color contrast. That green really stands out from this nice spread out, you know, pattern with all the different colors of the paper collection. Unbelievable. Again, if you want this book for yourself, her Etsy link is down below. And if you want to learn to make the book for yourself, I'll have my class available for you. And I would be so happy to teach you how to make this. And you can use any paper it is that you want. Again, Bree, this has seriously been a fantastic honor, and I am just blown away by your artistic abilities. I seriously cannot say enough about all your little details you added and the way that you did what you did. I'm speechless. I mean, it's gorgeous, every angle and every bit of it. Thank you again so much for this incredible adventure to be able to go through your book. It's truly my pleasure to be your friend, and I'm wishing everyone a wonderful week. Thanks again, Bree. Hugs.